In front of me is Motorola Moto G56, and today I would like to show you how you can enable suggestion strip at the top of your keyboard. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit System. Now select Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Finally, after hitting Text Correction, use this switcher next to Show Suggestion Strip to activate it. When your switcher is blue, go back. As you can see, my suggestion strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!